Kohler Power Systems, now Rehlko, needed a custom solution to vent 900-degree exhaust from its Mosel, Wisconsin generator test cell facility. Rohde partnered with Rehlko to design an adaptable system that can articulate, telescope, and align with any generator tailpipe, while moving up to 30,000 CFM of extreme temperature exhaust safely above the roofline. Built for tight spaces and intense thermal demands, the system uses specialized high-temperature materials engineered for repeated heating cycles and heavy loads. The result is a truly one-of-a-kind, precision-tailored exhaust solution